The ICC have announced a revised schedule for the upcoming ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 in India and Sri Lanka. The tournament dates of 30th of September to the 2nd of November remain unchanged, as do the other venues, which are the ACA Stadium to Guwahati, Holkar Stadium to Indore, ACA VDCA Stadium, Visakhapatnam, and R. Premadasa Stadium, Colombo, Sri Lanka. ICC Chairman Jay Shah believes the Navi Mumbai venue is ideal for women's cricket. Navi Mumbai has emerged as a genuine home for women's cricket in recent years. The support it has received during international fixtures and the Women's Premier League has been remarkable, creating an atmosphere that elevates the players and inspires fans. I am certain that the same energy will define the big matches of the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup as it returns to India after 12 years, he said. We stand at a pivotal moment in the journey of the women's game. This World Cup has the potential to be remembered as one of those defining milestones that shape the sport's future, not only in India but across the cricketing world. While unforeseen circumstances required us to adjust the schedule and replace a venue, we are pleased to now have a lineup of 5 world-class venues that will showcase the very best of the women's game. The stage is set, and I am confident this tournament will capture imaginations and inspire a new generation of fans. The final of the tournament will be held either in Colombo or Navi Mumbai on 2 of November, with the first semi-final set to be in Guwahati or Colombo on 29th of October and the second semi-final in Navi Mumbai on 30th of October.